Hello, I am going to cover one of my courses. It's the Cloud Design course. It's hosted in AWS Academy, and they also use Canvas, similar to Valencia's Canvas. And the things I'm going to cover or walk through are going to showcase one specific content module. That will be Module 3, the storage module. I'll then describe different ways that the students can communicate with me during this course. I'll also describe the grading and feedback strategies, and then finally describe the engaged teaching strategies for creating an online community with the students. So let's just briefly look at the different modules. The beginning module is just a welcome and overview, and then it's broken down into the components of cloud architecture, storage, compute, database, and then it goes into networking, and from connecting networking, it talks about security, and then goes in a little more in-depth topics. But all in all, there are around 15 modules, and then students can actually apply for and take an exam certification to receive a certification for this course through AWS. So those are the modules that are in this one course, and like I said, I'm going to take a look at highlighting module 3. Uh, the way that things are assessed for students, there typically are guided labs. Here's one, here's another one, and then at the end, there's usually a module wrap up that usually includes all the slides and verbiages about the slides, and then there's a quiz, a knowledge check of around 10 questions to test the student's knowledge of the module content. And to add to these, there are individual videos. These are all videos that the students watch to prepare them for uh, successfully tackling the guided labs. Again, these are all demonstrations of labs, and then there's another challenge lab to, it looks like create a static website. It's like a use case type lab. Uh, Ways that the students can communicate. There are discussions. There's a discussion forum, general discussion, and then they can ask questions about certifications within the discussion area, along with the inbox where they can simply inbox message me to contact me about their questions about the course or certification. Next, we'll look at different ways, or actually look at the grading strategy. So each of these labs are graded, and they're given at least 100 points maximum, and the students need to score at least 70 to successfully move on to the next set of content. And similar, this module challenge is 100 points total, and then students must at least successfully earn 70, similar to the knowledge check at the end of each module. Uh, the teaching strategies are trying to use the learn by doing, which are the labs. So they watch videos through the module, and then they attempt the labs through learn by doing uh, strategy, and then lastly, they can also uh, review resources on YouTube to learn um, other ideas or different types of strategies for filling in missing content gaps that the course does not provide. So that's just a brief overview of one of my courses and highlighting one of my modules. Thank you very much.